Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Yamaha acoustic guitar coming in to upgrade his tuners. Initially, he says there's a bit of buzzing. So he says that maybe is the nut not being glued in properly. So when I listen to the sound sample and when the guitar come in, I take a look. Actually, is the tuners which needs replacement. So I did that. So we changed it to Gotoh locking tuners. This is a very good upgrade. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you need my help with any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.